Today we have in my studio and also on the track the MOVMAX Blade Arm Nano, and we tested it with a little rocket pocket Abarth 595 competizione that was really amazing for this kind of stuff. I'm your host Mauro, let's go straight into it. The MOVMAX arm was sent to me by MOVMAX to test it out and share my experience while using it. Okay, so let's have a look on the design of the MOVMAX Blade Arm Nano. The upgraded vibration plate with soft rubber cushioning is made to remove the micro jitters and vibration that can produce a car, some from the engine, some from the frame and some from the road. The great suction cap will be holding it all around of your car, front bumper, back bumper, side panels, and yes, of course, all the glass panels inside of your car and outside will be perfect. Just get a flash point so you can get a flash vacuum with this valve and get mounted this in under 15 seconds. Yes, so you just press it, press the valve until the valve firms and actually stops moving in this direction, and then you are ready to use it just like that. We didn't have any problems with that. After sucking all the air out with the valve press, it stayed firm in place even when speeding and chasing the little orange red spicy Abarth. And yes, it's not recommended to use it over 80 km per hour. Do your math in miles. On this mounting point you mount all your action cameras and cameras for this system. And yes, you have an upper mounting point and the lower mounting point, so hanging off or actually standing up. And yes, you get adapters for your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and 4, and probably it can fit also the Insta360. And after that you get also the actual action mount with the 1/4 mount and additional screws for your action mount with the actual bracket, so you can film also vertically, not just horizontally. So you can mount on any angle possible. And yes, you can mount your smartphone too. There is also a black version available, but well, I like this orange color too. The orange housing and some little part is made of pretty great hard plastic that's actually pretty well machined. And all of that makes this system pretty light and sturdy. On the top we have the knob to actually adjust the tension of the actual spring inside, and this will give you the option, if you want a heavier camera, that to compensate the tension so this part gets horizontally, so you get the complete movement up and down, and this part should be actually vertical to the actual horizontal arm, so you get a better experience in the complete movement up and down, so your bumps will be absorbed by the arm. What I like about it is the simple and easy setup with a light setup. And yes, with the actual valve you can adjust it in under 15 seconds and be ready to film your next rollers with your cars. Whether you want to film yourself or your cars, this will be amazing. I didn't notice any weird vibration because this vibration bracket actually eliminates all the small vibrations coming from the car, road or actual engine. And yes, if you have a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 or 4, the tracking function on a true gimbal will give you much more flexibility to track your car all around, and then you'll have less time, or actually will be spending less time to relocate around your car because you have a gimbal moving around. Nevertheless, the Osmo Action 5 Pro was perfect. That was all from me. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all of them. Till my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bell ring icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.